it's Renee. I'm out on my photo safari today. I met a friend for tea, got to have a yummy rooibos chai, which was one of my favorites. And then when she had to run pick up her son, I stayed and I've been having a great time. I've actually been shooting some curated images to use in my social media feed, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about how I do that. I've chosen a table right here by a window, so I've got some beautiful natural light, and then I found a little table right here close by that's got some beautiful funky wood to it, so it made a gorgeous backdrop. So I just had brought a few items from home, planning to do this, and so then I've just been shooting those images that show up on my social media feed over the next couple months. I like to plan out a little bit of content all at once, and then be able to have the freedom to post that as I would like to. So I've got a couple of bags here that say have some fun words, stash and stuff. I'm always collecting little bags. So I just put those out in the natural light on the fun surface, come above and shoot those. So that's how I shoot the images that you see sometimes in my feed, the curated images, the images of inanimate things, obviously not my underwater fun kids, but some of the stuff that shows up like that. So I wanted to share a little bit more about my photo safari. Now I'm off to adventure and find some more fun things to shoot. Talk to you soon. Today I'm in a coffee shop and I'm just shooting a few curated images for my social media account, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of how I do it. I just wanted to get away from the house and out of the house today. I had a few minutes, and so I actually met a friend here at the coffee shop first, had some lovely chai tea, my favorite, and then she had to run to pick up her son, and so then I stayed and shot a few images. I found this adorable little table here, beautiful wood next to a window. You can see the light keeps shining funny on my face, but I'm next to a beautiful window with natural light, so it just made it easy. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to shoot some curated images for yourself. You don't need a big studio, you don't need fancy equipment. So I'm going to shoot with my camera because I'm using my iPhone to film this, but you could just as easily shoot these same images with your iPhone. And in another video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it will be to edit those same images with your iPhone. Okay, so I set up a little calendar here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've set up. So what I've done is set up, it's just a little calendar page that says my week. I've thrown a little, some little clips, some little colored pencils, some simple stuff that I had around my house already. Just gathered up some favorite little things, and then I'll do a post about, hey, what does your week look like, and what do I have on tap for this week? Something that has a call to action that will gain engagement when I post it. So I'm just going to line it up in the window light. I'm going to go from above, and it's the same way you would shoot it with your iPhone. I'm going to come up, go from above, and I'm going to shoot it. Then I'm also going to shoot it at an angle. So I'm focusing on the words that say my week, and then I'm going to focus on the tips of the pencils because they're so, the colors are so cute. And then you can also do a vertical, okay? And then that gives you some flexibility when you go to post. It's good with this big table. If you can shoot away, give yourself more room for cropping later. Give yourself some room to add some words if you want to add something into the image. So I can go up even higher. And I can go even higher on my vertical, but give myself space up at the top. So I'm putting the image at the bottom and giving my space self vertical. So if I want to do even more of that, I can move the object lower. Now in this case that doesn't work as well because this table actually has a little hole in it. I had this cute little pot covering the hole, and I've moved that, and I've been keeping all of my items on top of that hole. But if you had a surface that did not have a hole in it, move the item all the way down and shoot, giving yourself room above, or move it all the way up and giving yourself room below. Usually giving yourself room above works better. And again, moving it to one side, giving yourself room to the side. Those are the kinds of things that are going to give you space to crop the image, or to add words, add something to say, add a call to action, add whatever you need to add to your image when you're posting on social media. Hope that tip's helpful. I look forward to talking to you again soon.